So this is the Brainvita board. It is circular in shape and has 4 sides. Most importantly, it has 33 holes. This game is played with marbles like this. It is played with 32 marbles. Marbles are put everywhere except in the center. The rules of the games are simple. All you have to do is move one marble at a time. When you move a marble, you jump the marble over the other marble. When you do so, you have to keep the other marble out. The rules are simple. The main objective in the game is to bring one marble in the center like this. So let's see how to play. So now let's put the marbles in the board. So this is how the board should look when you're beginning your game. In this video you will learn how to solve this Brainvita game under 1 minute. So let's go. The first step in solving the puzzle is to move this marble from here to the center, like this. The second step is to move this marble from here to here. After that, we have to move this marble from here to here. Then we have to move this marble from here to here. Then you have to move this marble from here to here. And finally, you have to move this marble from here to here. So this is the first step. You can see that after this first step, these 5 spaces are cleared on this side. So the same thing we're going to do with this side and this side. So to do that, we'll turn it like this and perform the same moves. So first move this over here. Then you have to move this over here. Then move this over here. Then move this over here. And you have to bring this up here. So we have finished 2 spaces. Now to complete this third side, you have to turn it and perform the same moves. You'll perform the same moves with this side and also the fourth side. So let's do it. So now we have cleared the third side. So let's clear up the fourth side now. This is our last side. So let's turn it again. So once you're done with this, it will look something like this. If it looks something like this, good, you've done it perfectly. So for a convenience, let's turn it like this, such that there is 1 marble here, 3 marbles in the next row, 5 marbles in the row above it, and 2 marbles in the row above the 5 marbles. So if this is done, you have done it perfectly. So once you have got this situation, here on it's very simple. All you have to do is take the second row of 3 marbles and take the middle marble in it and move it from here to here, and it will come continuously automatically. I'll show you how it is. So you have to move this marble from here to here. Then we'll move this marble from here to here. Then we'll move it from here to here. Then we'll move this marble from here to here. Then this marble over here will come here. Then this marble over here, this marble will come here. So as you can see, it came continuously like a line. So it is a T which you will get when you finish it. If you get this, you are in the right track. So as you can see now, we have just 5 marbles and we have a T. So this is our last step in solving. So what we have to do here is take this marble over here, which is in the center, and bring it over here. Then you have to take this marble down and bring it up to the center. Then there's only one move. You have to bring this marble from here to here. Then you're done. The last step, bring this marble from here to the center. And you can see that you have solved the game. So as you know, it's very easy. So now we have learned how to solve this Brainvita. Brainvita is a very good game. It gives you good memory skills and gives you good thinking skills. It also helps to improve your concentration. No one can learn it in the first time. It takes you 3 or 4 times to solve, then only you can learn it. So you can always go back and check the video. So hope you liked it. See you next video. Till then, bye. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.